Hi guys, this is Rahul here, and I'm from myview.rahulnavy.net. That is my blog, and as you can see here, this entire talk is about this particular topic: getting started with AngularJS. This is my recent book, which I have published on Amazon. So this is being published in two versions: on a Kindle edition and a paperback edition, which you can see here. When you go here and search with the name, you will find that either my name or book name. You will find these two links. So feel free to use that and provide me a review how do you like that. So this book is all about writing an Angular app right from the beginning, right from the scratch. So let me show you a glimpse of that, how it looks like. So this is my blog, myview.roundlivit.net, which you can refer here, which you can see there. And the very first thing is like there are two links. Like there is one menu is getting started with AngularJS, and currently on home page is that. So here you will see that glimpse of the entire book. I mean the first chapter, which covers the glimpse of the entire book, whatever the functionality is being covered, and how do you get the feel of making an app right from the beginning. So from nothing you are making a full blown app, front end app. So let me walk you through that what is there in all the. So this book covers seven concise chapters. So this all seven chapters are around different topics of AngularJS, like services, directives, custom directives, and then controllers, markups, testings, and what is coming in AngularJS 2, TypeScript, so many things. So you will be having full blown fun while writing this app from the scratch, because only prerequisite with this particular book is basic understanding of JavaScript. That's it. And then you can grab any of your favorite editors, like here in this case I have used WebStorm. You could use brackets, you could use Visual Studio Code, you could use anything like Visual Studio, Eclipse, Sublime, Notepad plus plus, anything, even a simple notepad will also do. But in order to get that full blown IntelliSense features, I would recommend to use any of the favorite editors. Now let me give you a glimpse of the first chapter, which is free for reading here. So here it starts with a simple MVC discussion, because that's Angular is written on the top of this MVC architecture, right? So why it is like that, and why it came into the picture, you will get a glimpse of here. Then Angular architecture discussion. So this discussion I started while checking a glimpse of conventional architecture, and then comparing with Angular architecture. Then what is the difference between them? Then why is Angular is one of the most preferred libraries, and one of the most preferred apps which we are writing here. So with Angular we are writing single page app, which is nothing but a universal app. So as you can see that here we are targeting browsers, desktop browsers, then mobile apps, then developers are writing full blown feature on the top of that. So there are a couple of things which you could go ahead and enjoy that while writing this app. Again, there are things like why we should use Angular and what are the advantages, then the contrasting difference between jQuery and AngularJS. So there are a bunch of differences, and why AngularJS fits into today's web app. So there are many scenarios which you will be learning through in all these seven chapters. So all these topics are fairly compared and fairly covered in this particular book. So apart from this Angular talk, here I have that complete glimpse of that movie app review, which you will be building throughout your application. So feel free to go through this book, give me a review, and let me know if anything is missing, what you like about that book, what you don't like about this book. So I'm you can post your comments here itself on my blog. I will check your comments and get back to you as soon as possible. So there are a couple of more things which you will be learning here apart from that, like this yeoman feature. This is something out of the box thing, which I will be discussing with in chapter 6. So what is this is all about is the yeoman gives you a boilerplate code, so it helps you to write the app significantly in lesser time, right? It gives you all steps which you get started with Angular, right? So there are many steps to get started. So Human is one of the things which you can make use of and just modify simple tweaks into that app and let that app goes through that. So this is how it works, and then a simple discussion around Angular 2 and TypeScript, which is getting launched in December coming this fall. And apart from that, I have also discussed about that TypeScript. So the recent integration, recent announcement of Google by Google in ngconf that they are getting TypeScript and into that Angular 2. That means they are making use of this transpiler to compile your Angular 2 project as a ES5 or ECMAScript 5 compatible project. So TypeScript is nothing but an interface between your the way you are writing JavaScript from ECMA 6 standard. So ECMA 6 standard is nothing but that is a type safe standard, the where you will be writing your JavaScript from object oriented way, like you will be making classes and objects, interfaces, and with that means you need to target a browser which is currently supported with ECMA's script 5 standard. So this TypeScript will compile that particular piece into that particular JavaScript, and you can make use of that JavaScript in your app. So these are the things, and here a few links are there, like for downloading a skeleton project, then completed project, and these last two links are around that Amazon links. I hope you will enjoy this book. Let me know your stuffs, your feedbacks. Till then, stay tuned. Happy coding.